How to enable or disable save original screenshots to revert to the original on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down, then tap on Advanced Features. From here, we go down and tap on Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Then in here, scroll down and tap on Save Original Screenshots. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch off Save Original Screenshots. Once it is turned on, this lets you revert to the original screenshots after editing them in Gallery, but it uses more storage space. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.